Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby, and today what we're going to speak about is becoming my angel investors. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 p.m. when I post. So let's go. Hey guys, welcome back. Guys, today I'm going to speak on something that's never ever been heard before. Literally, I am the first person to ever do this. I don't know no service like this, so make sure to know that this is from me. So guys, my whole new service is called Becoming Abby's Angel Investor. So let me explain to you what this is and how this will benefit you. This is for people who've got money in a bank account. They don't have time to learn what rent to rent is and how does it even work. But what they do know is rent to rent is a great way in order to make cash flow and also passive income, especially with this service, as the investor is not lifting a finger at all. So how it works is I have a specific sourcing fee that the investor will need to pay. And then what I'll do is get a specific deal that's beneficial to that investor. This is long term. So this is between 3 to 5 years. And then from there, I will be paying the investor every single month a specific amount. And so when you jump on my consultation call, we'll then go through a whole PowerPoint on how it works and what one will be perfect for you due to your package and your situation. But this is so perfect for people who actually got a lot of money just sitting in a bank account, or not even a lot of money, even if it's money where it's at least 10k and it's just sitting in the bank account and you're literally it's just there, literally it's just there. And so the sourcing fee that would need to be paid, and then the first month rent of that property and the deposit. But you do know I do negotiate it down, but I never promise my landlords you're gonna get no money down deals or no deposit, you know, all things like that. It just depends on that landlord and what I can do with that specific landlord. But then from there, you're letting your money work for you, because as time goes along, just do your calculations. Do 300. So let's say you have to pay a sourcing fee of 3,500. You're making your sourcing fee back within that same year, coming towards the end. And the rest will just be profit upon profit upon profit upon profit. And with that specific deposit that you needed to pay as well, if you needed to pay one, you do get that back at the end of the tenancy agreement. But that is such an incredible service, and I'm so excited that I even put this out there, because I've had so many investors come to me so excited about this specific service, and I believe it's so smart. Because if you leave your money in your bank account, all you're earning is 0.1% on that cash just sitting there. And I personally call that just dead cash sitting there. I think it should be illegal just to have money sitting in your account and you're not making it work for you. And that is the beauty of what I do and my services, because I'm basically doing everything for you. You're letting all the money work for you, and you're just making it grow and grow and grow. And at the end of that whole 5 years, or maybe 3 years, that's deciding on what you basically want to do, just do your calculations. I don't even need to speak too much. Do your calculations, you'll see how beneficial it is. And that is why I came up with that service. So guys, if you're interested in a service like this, make sure you look below. There should be a booking system where it's a consultation call with myself for free. And I'm basically going to have a one-to-one with you on you getting ready to start now. Because we're only dealing with serious investors that want to start right now. And so, yeah, if you think this is for you, make sure you click that link. And I'm looking forward to seeing you on my call. But guys, apart from that, guys, what I want to discuss as well is why you should let your money work for you. And the reason why you should make your money work for you is, to be honest, I believe common sense. If you've got a lot of money in your bank account and it's earning 0.1%, why would you actually leave it in your bank account? The bank is using your money to make money, really and truly. That's why they only give you that type of percentage. But now if you put it in a rent-to-rent deal, rent-to-rent is so lucrative. There's so much things that you can do in rent-to-rent, which is why I provided this service to investors, because I know my strengths. And if I could bring other people on board and help them grow their money, why not? Alright guys, once again, thank you so much for watching today. That was just a short clip on how my services work, and if you want to become an investor, you know what to do by clicking the link below. So before we end here, make sure you add me on Instagram, it's Oniru, and also make sure you comment down below and tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about my services. Tell me if you think it's smart, because I know it's smart, but tell me if you think it's smart. And also make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 p.m. when I post. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching today, and have a good day. Bye.